Good morning, guys. We just finished our morning pump. I used my Mom Cozy V2 as per usual. And guys, I have an exciting news. I will be doing a birthday giveaway and a 100K giveaway. So I will be choosing 3 winners for my giveaway. I'll upload the giveaway details in the next video. So watch out for that. Maybe I will film it after I shower because wala lang. Para mas cute naman tayo kasi for sure, madami na namang views yung giveaway natin. So yeah, let's do our morning pump and pour. Let's see our left side. We have a full egg. Ooh. And other side. So bright and sunny today. Compared yesterday, it was a little bit gloomy. And yeah, day 3 no yaya today. So my baby has a fever again, but I'm pretty sure now it's because of his teething kasi he really is biting his jaw, like he feels super uncomfortable sa kanyang gums. Yun lang, share ko lang. Random yapping pump and pour. So, I will be choosing 3 winners and 3 pumps ang ibibigay natin for our giveaway kasi birthday ko and 100K. So, dapat bongga ating giveaway. Yes. And mahappy kayo nun kasi I will be giving away something exciting and a new pump. Sealed pumps, guys. I will be giving away sealed pumps. So I'm so excited for the new giveaway winner to do their pump and pours using this cup again. So far, ang mga winners natin, nakikita ko naman sila nagpa-pump and pour. And guys, that's why I really check who's gonna win. Kasi I don't want the winner to resell the pump that I give. I want the winner to really use it because they need it. Yeah. So that's why I screen the winners to make sure it's not like scam. Kasi naman, mahal 'di ba yung pumps na binibigay natin? So I want it to go to someone deserving, someone who will really use it for a good cause. So our next giveaway, I will be doing a mechanic where they will explain why they will need the pump or ganon. Basta, I will make another video for it. So that's our morning pump. So we got 11 plus 5, 16 ounces for our morning pump.